Alexandrite. Alexandrites are well known for displaying one of the most remarkable color changes in nature. Emerald by day, ruby by night. It has various benefits: creativity, focus, healthy liver, strong nervous system, right decisions, boosts energy, growth and profits, balances emotions, third eye awakening are some of them. The procedure to wear Alexandrite is: sit facing to the north direction, put the gem in the turmeric water till the end of the process, offer any sweet as divine food offering to the gem for its mystical powers, lit a candle or offer dhoop. Meditate for 10 to 18 minutes on any wish or dream and visualize that wish or dream has already come true. Visualizing helps in programming the gem and understand what you want. This process can be performed on every Thursday or full moon day or any day. You will start noticing all positive results once the process is complete and your gem is highly powerful. When to wear? Wear the gem in ring or pendant or bracelet, on ring finger or little finger of the right hand on Wednesday between 6 am to 11 am.
AstroGemVeda.com, world's biggest online store for gems and रुद्राक्ष, जो अपनों से करे प्यार, लक को कैसे करे इनकार।